Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to create an admin account in WordPress. First, we have to log into our WordPress account and we will be redirected in WordPress dashboard. In WordPress dashboard sidebar, we can see options called users. Then we have to go to the page and we can see a button called add new. We have to click on it. After clicking on it, we will be redirected to this page. In this page, we can see we have to fill few fields like username, email, first name, last name, and we have to give it a password and choose its role. So let's get into it. First, we are going to give it a username. Then we will have to give it a email. Then we will have to give it a first name, then last name, and we have to choose a password. In our case, we are going to use 1234 and confirm use of weak password. After that, we have to choose a role of this user. This is the main part of our video. We have to choose administrator from these options. After choosing this, we have to click on add new user. After clicking on add new user, we will be redirected to user page. Here we can see we have created an account called Mr. A, whose role is administrator of our WordPress account. That's all for today. Thank you very much.